Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys a powerful DIY video with recipe that will enable you make profit in detergent production. Whether you are doing it for business or you are doing it for home use, I will just share this powerful DIY video with the recipe that will give you a very good detergent production. So watch this video and enjoy and learn how to produce powder detergent at home. Over here, that's my sodium tripolyphosphate. I'm making use of 200 grams. This is my soda ash. I'm making use of 250 grams. And this is my sodium sulfate. I'm making use of 2 kg of sodium sulfate. Then this is the SLS, also known as sodium lauryl sulfate. I'm making use of 500 grams. This is the caustic soda. I'm making use of 50 grams, and this is our fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. Fragrance is optional. So let's go straight into the production process. I have ebooks for sale. If you are the type that prefer reading books and learning, you can reach me on WhatsApp to purchase my book on soap making and other skincare formulation. Trust me, this book is very rich. You will learn a lot. You will learn a lot. Just reach me on WhatsApp and purchase this powerful ebook that has a lot of recipes and a lot of formulations, and there's a lot of tricks and tips you don't know. You will find them in my ebook. Reach me through WhatsApp to purchase it. Also, don't forget I conduct online classes for those that want to learn. You can reach me through the link I will be have dropped in this video description. Just click on the video link. It will take you straight to WhatsApp where you can join the class that goes on WhatsApp. There you learn how to make soap, body cream, powder detergent, liquid soap, the shower gel, the organic soap. There's a lot you learn there. The hair shampoo, the bleach, the Dettol. If you have difficulty reaching me through the link, you can reach me through this mobile number, this phone number I have displayed on the screen of this video. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Don't call me, just chat me on WhatsApp. You will be added to the training group. Then lastly, if you don't like group training and you want a private class, a private online class where it will just be between me and you, we will go on a live video call and I'll be instructing you on how to produce the soap making and other skincare formulations. I'll be instructing you while you are doing your production. If you need a private online class, reach me on that phone number I have displayed there for that type of training. If you don't like a group training and you prefer just a one-on-one online class with me, Fame Ebong, reach me on that phone number for that type of training. It depends on what you like and what you want. If you prefer a group training, I have told you how to join the group. If you prefer a private online training, I have shown you what to do. I was actually blending the detergent in a blender. You can use any blender of your choice, any blender you have at your disposal. You can use it to blend this. I was actually blending this like to turn to a fine powder. I want it to be very smooth and very fine. So just blend it. it's best you blend it because SLS comes in rice form. So you have to blend everything so that it will turn to a fine powder. Once you're done blending, you add your fragrance and your detergent is ready for use. You just store it in a good container and use it whenever you want to wash your clothes, you want to wash your plates, whatsoever you feel like washing with your detergent. You formulate it and use it. This with this method, you can save a lot of money because detergent is very expensive. But with this formulation and this recipe, trust me, you have a lot of detergent that you can use for days. This is a very good production. It gives you a larger production and you'll save a lot of money. So let's test this and see how it leathers. Let's see how this leathers. You can see this detergent is leathering well. It has its cleaning agent inside. So it will remove stain and it's leathering well. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to join the online class. Don't forget to purchase the ebook. Goodbye and see you all next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Very important. So you'll be updated by my newest and latest videos. Don't hit the bell notification. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. Thank you for watching and goodbye. See you next time and have a lovely day.